ai jingmut jogi bopon kibala
Kaseng Congress kala Pynpaw ya ka Jingsngewkhia Halor ka Jingngkiew Sted tong ka Jingpang HIV AIDS bat ka Jingnangkiew jong ka ba kirni ha udrok ha gajala Meghalaya. UMP ka Congress Natura Parliamentary usaleng sangma ulaong bakani kan bu jingma ha gajala bat kumju ha keleng ka than chatay lamingi. Uni UMP ulaong baka jala Meghalaya kalong ka jakarung jakami shakiway pat ki jala bat kani kalalang bu jing shu. Ulaya thu bahakini ki lais nem balalet ka Jingngkiew jong udrok bat ka jingdon jong ki bayo ya ka Jingpang HIV kalatam ya ka Jingkhen pedeng jong kari. Ulapan pauru bawat ka menteri ka kwat kakya ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala ay jingmut padon kam ban le shua ya ka HIV test hashua banyat ho shongkurim.
Major challenges right now what we are facing is this HIV militancy and then all sorts of other drugs and then development within this just 3 years. The rise of drugs abuse, the rise of HIV is so much so that it has trajected like anything. Now it has even crossed the Indian ratio road of the drugs abuse, especially our Meghalaya. Now, just recently, Minister herself has already told, even before marriage, you have to take the HIV certificate from the doctors. What does it mean?